Welcome to another in the series in Self-Identity through Ho'oponopono. Our instructor has just returned from teaching classes in Australia, Korea, Japan, the Netherlands, Italy, France, the Czech Republic, and Dubai. He's an instructor, an author, and a lecturer and a PhD, Dr. Ihaleakala, Hew Len.
Welcome to the series of Self-Identity through Ho'oponopono. Again, the Ho'oponopono process is a process of repentance, forgiveness, and transmutation. It is a way of solving problems and the problems that are within you. And so the Ho'oponopono is a very simple and profound process of making amends with the divinity who can erase and transmute whatever memories you have that you re-experience, what Shakespeare calls for bemoan moan, grievances forgone, rebel powers in your soul. So Ho'oponopono, by simply applying any of these cleaning tools, you're then saying to the divinity, I'm sorry, please forgive me for whatever memories are replaying in me that I experience a back problem, financial problem, sexual problems, any kind of problem, or problems in relationship with other people, financial problems. So the Ho'oponopono is this simple. So I'm going to talk to you about dewdrops. Dewdrops is a process by simply saying dewdrops. Dewdrops makes an appeal to divinity. Divinity knows exactly what your problems are, why you are experiencing problems, and so divinity will send the information down from above, come down into the subconscious, then searches out. So divinity knows exactly what memories to erase. So divinity will target those memories, not you. You're perfect. You're not the problem. It's the imperfection called memories in you. So divinity targets those memories. Then what he does is he transmutes the memory to pure energy, so it loses its toxicity, and it takes those memories and releases those memories, those energies. So now you're back to zero. You're back to holiness again, the way you were created in the exact likeness of the divinity. You're holy again, pure and done. So now the Ho'oponopono is simply applying any of these cleaning processes. You can say dewdrops, you can say I love you, you can say thank you, all of these processes that we're teaching in this series. And so here's what Morrnah has to say about identity.
It goes as such: divine creator, Father, Mother, Son as one. Now we see Father, Mother, Son as one, relating to that spark within us, which is connected to the divinity. So this is why you're only dealing with two facets, is the divine creator and yourself, nothing outside of your structure.
So what is Morrnah talking about when she talks about it? And she's talking about the three selves, the superconscious, conscious, and subconscious. What people call, what the Hawaiians call the Aumakua, Wahine, and the Winipili, what psychologists call, again, the superconscious, conscious, and subconscious. But the problem is a memory in the subconscious. And so the Ho'oponopono is a very simple way of rectifying the memories. And what you do, you take your identity, everything that takes place only takes place in you, in your identity. So the Ho'oponopono is about erasing this. So I'm going to tell you a story about the monkey. I got this information from a guy named Tim. He took the class in Cork Island. Tim realized with some horror that cleaning his way back to zero might take longer than he thought. And so the Ho'oponopono is a process that you must do moment to moment, day in and day out. And it's a process that you can do. You can train that part of you, the computer part of you, to do this cleansing. And so as you train the computer how to do it, all this information gets downloaded into the computer, and the computer is then programmed to do the cleaning. So while you're sleeping, the Ho'oponopono can be going moment by moment, day in, day out. And I think it's wonderful to be able to do this and to know you can do the cleaning while you're sleeping. Can you imagine? And you can be working on memories and problems and financial and while you're sleeping. It's just a beautiful process. Thank you very much.
For more information, Self-Identity through Ho'oponopono.com.